Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we're working on the CLK here at the shop, Mercedes W208. As you know, this one is convertible, but it's most of the videos will be identical for the coupe as well. Today guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace trunk lid on this. If you need to remove the whole assembly, it's a little bit tricky because of the wires and the vacuum hose as well. Stay with us, please subscribe, let's grow the channel together. We have more than 100 videos on that model, so if you have one, probably will help you save some money in the future. We're going to remove that carpeting piece right here, that carpet that covers the trunk lid on the inside. So what we're going to do, we pull the middle piece out of the clip and then you pull the rest of the clip, and you do that for all of them. So I believe that there is 3 on the bottom, 3 on this side, so 6, and 3 on the other side. Should be 9 clips. Like that. Pretty easy to remove. Okay, we will need to remove the lock as well. Stay with us. We'll show you why, so we can disconnect everything there. Okay. Now it's very important to be careful here. This is the switch that detects if the trunk lid is open or closed. So go around it, and now you can pull it out like that. Perfect. So now we need a T30, start looking bit, okay, the one right here guys, and we need to remove the 2 bolts for the lock. Okay, and you need to be very careful how you remove that, because you might damage the vacuum line. So stay with us, we're going to demonstrate. You need to pull that piece out first, okay, like that, in an angle. Then you need to be careful right here and pull it like that. Next we need to disconnect the vacuum hose right here. So those little bitty things, you need to spread them out and you need to pull the hose at the same time. Okay, and it's gonna come loose. Almost there. Okay, like that. You can see it's really easy. When you install it, you just push it in. Now we need to disconnect the wires. So you push this one, pry it out. Okay, like that, be careful. Now we have one wire right here. You can see this is the clip holding here. So we will need to pry this one as well. And some of those could be a little bit tricky. One more here. Okay, and the lock is out of the way now. Now we need to remove the switch. Okay, so you need to push in on both of these and pull it from the back. You need to disconnect the wires now. Okay, remember the way you took them off. Okay, like that. This is the switch out of there as well. So now we have the wires guys for the tail lights that are on the trunk. So we're just going to go ahead and disconnect those. Okay, like that. You push those in and you disconnect them. Then we need to pull the wires for the this is for the tag light, and it'll be easier if you pull or if you remove it, but in our case one of the screws is messed up, so we won't be able to. Okay, this one almost came out. Okay, you can see it's okay, it came out. Let us show you what you need to do. Towards the back right here on this wire. Okay, you have that thing. Okay, let me just get good light. Okay, that thing here, you need to press down on it and pull, and this way the wire will come out. That's the inner wire for the tag light. Okay, this is out of the way now. We're going to remove that clip that holds them. So we need to just squish it with the plug and push towards inside. We need to break a few zip ties and we will install new ones later there. Okay, and we'll need to disconnect the wire for the LED lights as well. That's the third brake light stop. And this one you pry it open as well. Another zip tie there. Clip. Just push in this one, squeeze and push in. And this one here as well. Those tend to break sometimes, to be honest with you. Like this one did. And now we need to disconnect this tail light as well, just the same way we did the other one, remember? Okay, now we need to feed all the wires in a specific way, so you can pull everything towards the right side. Okay, make sure they're not catching somewhere, because if they are, you need to help them, that way you will not break a wire. Okay, so far, you see, we have everything here. Now this seal, you just grab, okay, and you pull it like that. And there is one more on the bottom here. And now you have to feed the wires slowly, one by one. Okay, the big ones need to come out first, you see. Okay, like that. You just have to work your way. We're almost there. Okay, I think this is the last one actually for the tail line. And of course the last one will be the one to get stuck there. Okay, right there, you can see guys, the wiring harness is out of there, so nothing holding it now, just a couple more bolts and the shocks. So for the shocks, make sure that you hold it good. This is spring loaded here, you need to pry it open, but careful not to fly in your eyes. So you can just remove it from the top like that. Hold the lid, because it's easy to fall now. We remove this one as well. Now we need a 10mm socket, and we're going to remove one bolt right here. Okay. And we're gonna loosen this one there. Okay, like that. And now on this side, we'll take this one off. All the way, and we'll get this one loose. Okay. You need to adjust it later, and now if you guys grab it, you can just pull it straight up, okay, like that, and this is the trunk lid out of it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, help us grow the channel together. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.